Poloniex has been hacked with over $120 million in BTC, ETH, XRP and Shiba Inu. We will also be looking at the reason behind the recent surge in the price of FTT, as it has added $427 million to the purse of FTX and Alameda Research, although the funds are mostly illiquid. Finally, the world's largest asset manager BlackRock has filed with the US SEC to launch a spot-based Ether ETF. Join me guys as I look into the future of the soon-to-be-launched ETF. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates from the world of cryptocurrencies in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we extend a special welcome to you. We invite you to hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Now, let's dive in. The cryptocurrency industry is licking the wounds of another high-profile security breach. On November 10th, Poloniex confirmed that hackers gained authorized access to funds on the platform. On-chain data reveals that the hacker has already siphoned over $120 million worth of cryptocurrencies from Poloniex. While investigations continue, early indications are that the security breach resulted from a compromised private key. The hackers have accessed funds across different networks, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Tron. The hackers' loot is worth an estimated $127 million, aided by a green day across the crypto market. Ether, ETH, Tron, TRX, and Bitcoin, BTC, make up over 80% of the stolen amount, according to data from Arkham Intelligence. According to XRP Forensics, 3.1 MXRP have been lost so far. According to Look On-Chain, 577 billion Shiba Inu are lost. Owned by popular crypto entrepreneur Justin Sun, Poloniex has taken measures to calm affected customers in the aftermath of today's incident. According to an update by Justin Sun, subsequently shared on the official Poloniex handle, the exchange will reimburse affected users. Additionally, Poloniex is offering a 5% bounty to the hacker if they agree to return the stolen funds. Accepting such a bounty will mean that the hacker gets to keep $6.35 million of the total amount and return the balance to wallet addresses already made public by Poloniex. There is no indication that the hacker has taken this offer at the time of writing, as the provided addresses have not received new deposits. However, as part of diplomatic measures, Poloniex has given the hackers a 7-day ultimatum to return the funds while keeping the bounty. The exchange threatened to involve law enforcement agencies if the hacker refused to oblige. It has already begun collaboration with other crypto exchanges to recover any funds deposited to their platforms. Meanwhile, Poloniex sought to assure users that it was well capitalized and would reimburse 100% of lost user funds irrespective of the outcome of its investigations. The exchange, which has had over $300 million in trading volume as at last week, still had user withdrawals halted. Furthermore, the price of FTT has rallied over 200% in the previous weeks. The increase is largely connected to comments about FTX's future by Gary Gensler, chairman of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. At the DC FinTech Week, the SEC chair revealed that FTX could restart the platform if its new owners operated according to the law. Gensler's assertions followed reports that 3 companies, including Tom Farley's Bullish Exchange, are in the running to acquire FTX with an eye on a potential restart. The positive developments around FTX led to a substantial increase in FTT price, adding $427 million to the value held by the FTX bankruptcy estate. FTX and Alameda Research wallets hold 267 million FTT tokens, approximately $761 million on Friday, November 10th. The token's price peaked at around $3 following the news and maintains a market cap of around $1 billion. While the increase in the value of FTT catches the eye, the funds remain largely illiquid as FTX entities control a significant portion of the token's total supply. The 267 million tokens held by the exchange represent 76% of its total circulating 328.8 million tokens. Hence, the token's impressive run-up in the past few days has been led by whale activity and retail interest in speculating on the potential of an FTX restart. It is also noteworthy that FTX entities have not deposited any of their holdings to an exchange to sell despite the recent price surge. Recall that FTX's infamous collapse was tied to discoveries that it was making loans to sister entity Alameda Research while using its FTT token as a primary collateral. That development triggered a chain of events that led up to FTX's demise, as no substantial markets exist for selling such a substantial amount of FTT tokens. As a result, it is almost certain that FTT tokens in its current model will likely not be sold to reimburse affected customers. Yet, a possible restructuring of the token's mechanics by the bankruptcy estate may bring it back into the picture, a factor many speculators may be banking on by buying the token in recent days. Meanwhile, FTX's former CEO, Sam Bankman-Fried, has already been convicted and faces up to 115 years in prison for his role in the demise of the once multi-billion-dollar valued crypto exchange. Now to our main focus for the day. What awaits the soon-to-be launched ETF after its approval? Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings in the crypto space. BlackRock, the world's largest asset management company with over $9 trillion in assets, is diving deeper into crypto. On November 9, BlackRock's iShares division submitted an official application with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to launch a spot exchange-traded fund, ETF, tracking ETH, the second largest crypto asset by market capitalization. If approved, the fund would trade on the Nasdaq exchange and offer traders exposure to ETH. Notably, the fund will purchase and sell ETH on behalf of investors with exposure reflected as publicly traded shares on the exchange. Before its SEC filing, iShares had registered the planned iShares Ethereum Trust as a Delaware corporation, a first step signaling its intent to launch such a product. However, an official filing means that the SEC has now received the company's request for the proposed rule change to list the product and will initiate a review process as required by law. Meanwhile, news of BlackRock's Ether ETF filing has positively impacted the price of ETH, with the asset rising by 9%. ETH is currently trading around $2,090, representing a 17% increase in the past 7 days and a market cap of $252 billion. BlackRock's spot ETF application follows its widely publicized move to launch a similar product for Bitcoin, BTC. Per a Fox News report, BlackRock remains increasingly confident of securing approval for the spot Bitcoin ETF early next year. Yet, the fund manager's move to file for an Ether ETF catches the eye for another reason. It may be considered an indication that BlackRock is eyeing exposure to the broader crypto asset industry and not just Bitcoin. In a recent interview, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink described the surge in crypto prices as a flight to quality. The company's latest Ether ETF backs up that claim and further backs growing evidence that institutional demand for crypto assets is on the rise. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu's trading level before rounding up for the day. Shiba Inu, SHIB, is currently riding on the ongoing bullish market, as it records an uptrend above the $0.000008 price level, with critical metrics indicating a sustained bullish run. SHIB will likely witness one of its intense resistance levels at $0.00000869, at the 1.618 Fibonacci level. A break above this point could see Shiba Inu reclaim the $0.000009 for the first time since August, with a solid resistance point at $0.00000903. Meanwhile, despite the recent drop in its price, Shiba Inu retains market interest. Its volume has increased from 50.41% to $294.7 million. SHIB's market cap stays above the $4.8 billion territory, currently at $4.85 billion at the time of reporting. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments section. Write us anything down here, we are very eager to read you. Always remember that you are an important part of our community. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere. See you in a future opportunity to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community. Thanks for watching.